Okay, this is the shower head. Um, it came, but it's in another language. It looks like to me French. I don't know. I bought it on eBay, and where I usually buy things at, and I think it was in from America, but I'm guessing it was shipped from another country. That do look like French if I can focus this in. This is gonna be bad video for a minute until I upgrade. So here it is though. That's the shower head, and that's the I guess that's the stem rod, whatever you want to call it, that it's gonna go through. This thing you can it says here you can use 110 volt or 240, which if you know anything about volts to 110 to give you, regular what we usually use in the plugs and stuff, to the 240, which your regular hot water tank in your house uses. Probably the only thing in your house that use 240 volts at one time, outside of maybe if you got an electric furnace. So it says here that all the specs here: 25 amp to 49 amp circuit breakers. It's got a ground wires compatible with all of that, and it has a shower head with the hose. You can use for the wiring 12 gauge, 10 gauge, or 8 gauge. Uh, it's got some stuff there, but it's in another language. And I can see that it's got probably the instructions down there, all that. So I'm gonna open it up, look at all the instructions, see what it's about. It's my first one installing. I'm not gonna really install it right now, because I'm finna remodel my bathroom. So I'm gonna install it when I do that, but I'm gonna test it before that. I'll come back with that video.